Hey everyone, this is Brian with SmartTab POS, and today I'm going to show you how to assemble a hand strap onto the Generation 2 iPad. First thing you're going to want to do is take the iPad apart so you have access to this piece here. You're going to want to take the hand strap and the hand grip out. Just going to need a Phillips screwdriver for this. You want to give some length to this guy here. And then there's two screws on the hand grip. You're going to loosen it. And the trick to this is there's a middle screw that kind of holds, middle bolt that kind of holds these two screws together. There it is. And what you got to do is you got to loosen it a bit so that you have some room. Now there's a flat side right here on the bracket. That flat side is going to match up with this flat side. There's a flat side and then there's a curved side for the grip of your fingers. The curved side goes in towards the bulkier part of the iPad. The flat side goes right here on the edge. So we're going to match that up and put the screw through here. Oh, I did not match that up. It's going to be this way. There you go, flat side, flat side. Pop this through. Now this is why you have to give some extra length, because you've added the brackets essentially. And should be able to tie this together with the Phillips. What you'll want to do is put it into the slots. And then you'll screw it together. So it takes just a little patience, particularly with the middle screw. But as you can see, not very much time at all. Once that's on there, you can just go ahead and snap it right back onto the iPad. And now you have your hand grip. There we go.